Yes, hello. So habang inaayos muna ni Tutor Well ang konting technical difficulties sa kanila, ay babati muna tayo ng magandang hapon sa lahat po ng mga great and learners sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Kumusta naman po ang lahat ha? So Tutor Well, sige lang mag-ayos ka lang muna dyan ha dahil si Tutor Well po ang mag-discuss ng lahat ng ating topic for this afternoon. Pero po, bago ang lahat wag po natin kalimutan na i-like at i-share po ang ating mga DepEd Facebook pages, ang DepEd EdTech Unit, DepEd Philippines, DepEd TV at DepEd Tayo. At huwag din pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa ating official YouTube channel, ang Educational Technology Unit, DepEd Philippines, DepEd TV Official, para po siguradong updated ka sa lahat po ng mga information at mga tutorial sessions na ibibigay sa atin ng DepEd Online Tutorial, ang Ito Live program. So bumati po muna tayo ng mga isang magandang hapon sa lahat po ng ating mga viewers dito sa ating online. So batiin lang po natin sila Angelica Glo Romero, watching from Doña Magdalena Gafud High School, si Risa May Carpio, si James Bryan, and ganoon din binabati natin sa Jeremy Opilas. Ganoon din si Riniel Manabat de Vera, ang ating math lead of the week last 2 weeks ago from sino pa ba? Jeremy Opilas from Doña Magdalena, si Daryl Solomon Ildefonso from Ramon National High School, ganun din kila John Bradley Rivera, kila Angel Rose Dasilio, Kyra Jane Antonio Coloma, Vivian Simangan, ayan, kila Eloisa, at sa iba pa po natin mga kasama dito sa online. Pero bago natin tuluyang batiin ang iba pa natin mga kasama, like sila Jean Ashley Bukatan from Diamantina National High School at Precious Faith Manganip from Cupis National High School. Magandang hapon. Ay simulan na po natin ang ating discussion for this afternoon. So yun, paki-share po direct ng ating screen for this afternoon. Yan, so sorry po Medyo ano ko lang muna, i-adjust ko lang muna. Direct kasi nag-check pala ako kanina. Sandali lang po. Stop sharing ko muna. So mga kasama natin sa DepEd Grade 10 Mathematics o Mathalino Day Friday ay habang inaayos lamang po ng ating Tutor Well at ni Tutor of Hill ang ating presentation for this afternoon. Huwag pong kalimutan na i-like at i-share po ang ating live stream para po masiguradong mas marami po pong great and learners ang makakasama natin sa pag-aaral na ito. Ayan. So direct, pwede na po natin i-share ang ating screen. Maraming salamat po. Okay. So wait lang po tayo So habang hinihintay lang din natin, batiin lang natin si Kiana Templo Nuevo. Yan, from 10 Amities watching from Antipolo National High School, Region 5, Camarines Sur. Happy Teacher's Day daw. Ayan, maraming salamat. Wait. Ayun. Okay. So, hindi pa pala nakashare ang aking screen. Maraming salamat, Direct Rainier De Jesus, ang ating tutor din sa ating science. Ayan po. So, sabi nga natin, ang pag-uusapan po natin ngayon ay Math 10 at nandito na tayo sa Quarter 1, Week 4. So, kasama nyo nga si Tutor of Hill at si Tutor Well mula naman po sa SEO Camarines Sur. So, unfortunately, medyo nag-brown out lang sa kanila ngayon pero pag bumalik ang power, ay tuloy-tuloy na po sa kanya or babalik na po siya maya-maya lamang. So, yan. Ang pag-uusapan natin for Quarter 1, Week 4 ay tungkol sa geometric sequence. Pero bago ang lahat, batiin lang muna natin kung sino ang ating Math Lead of the Week na nakasagot ng ating Math Challenge of the Week. Sa ating katanungan last week, pinag-aralan natin ang tungkol sa identification ng geometric sequence at ng arithmetic sequence. Ganoon naman, nabigyan kayo ng challenge ni Tutor Rowell kung saan pinag-usapan or binigay sa inyo ang katanungang what is the 10th term of the geometric sequence -8, 4, -2, and 1. At ang sagot ay a sub 10 is equal to 1 over 64. At ang ating math lead of the week, congratulations kay, ayan, Leonard Paul Alvarez. At ang kanyang math teacher, Lito Lingbanan Jr. from Culiat High School, SDO, Quezon City. Congratulations, Nak ha. Pagpatuloy lamang ang pagsagot at pagsama dito sa ating tutorial session, especially sa ating Mathematics 10. So, bago tayo magsimula sa ating discussion, pasalamatan lang po natin ang ating mga ginagamit na module bilang reference, ang ROV Bicol, SDO Camarines Sur at SDO Bataan Module Development Team. Ayan. So ano nga ba ang ating layunin para sa ating quarter 1, week 4 this afternoon? Number 1, we are about to determine geometric means and nth term of a geometric sequence. Pangalawa, kailangan natin namang malaman or kailangan nating masolve ang sum of the terms of a given finite or infinite geometric sequence. Ayan. So, good afternoon din po. Shaira Majen Omana, greatest student from Santa Lucia High School. Neri Lagido Domingo from Roman National High School. Good afternoon. At si Angeli De Fiesta, good afternoon din. So tuloy-tuloy natin. Last week, we have defined what geometric sequence is. A sequence where each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding term, a non-zero constant called the common ratio, which is denoted by R. So masabi natin na geometric sequence ang isang pattern kung ito ay may common ratio. Ayan. So tingnan natin kung makakabalik na si Tutor Ruel right after this right after my definition. Okay, next natin. So, para makuha natin ang common ratio, ang formula is any term or R is equal to any term divided by the preceding term. Or R is equal to A sub n over A sub n minus 1. And that will be our common ratio. Okay, next. So, nagre-review lang tayo ng ating pinag-aralan last week. Ratio is equal to n minus k root of A sub n over A sub k. Ayan. So, para sa topic natin this afternoon, bumalik na si Tutor Rowell. So, Tutor Rowell, the virtual floor is yours.
Thank you so much, Tutor Abhil. Pasensya po, di inaasahan nagkaroon ng brownout. But anyway, we are back on our Dapat Ituloy online tutorial in Mathematics 10. Once again, I'm Tutor Roel, your math coach in Math 10. So this time, or this week, our topic is about geometric means, nth term of a geometric sequence, and sum of a geometric sequence. So okay na. This time, we'll proceed with geometric means. So what do we mean by geometric means? Ano kaya yan? So the terms between any two non-successive terms is a geometric sequence are called geometric means. So if in arithmetic sequence, meron tayong arithmetic means, in geometric sequence, meron naman tayong geometric mean. So these are term or terms na nasa pagitan ng dalawang terms sa isang geometric sequence. So the formula to solve for a geometric mean between two terms is positive or negative square root of x and y. Kapag isang mean lang yung hinahanap. Okay. Why positive or negative? Kasi pag kinukuha natin yung square root ng isang number, the result can be positive or negative. So this is also called the mean proportionality of x and y. In other modules, ang ginagamit nila is R, A, and B. So dito, some also use x and y. So pareho lang naman po yun. Okay, next please. Okay. Okay, so the formula again, m is equal to positive or negative square root of x and y, or m over a is equal to b over m. Solving for m, it will be, or doing cross multiplication, so m squared is equal to ab. Now, getting the square of both sides, kaya pareho lang po, m is equal to positive or negative square root of a and b. Now, let's have an example. Okay, example number 1. Find the geometric mean between 2 and 18. So here's the solution. x is equal to 2, y is equal to 80. Now, using the formula, positive or negative square root of x and y, we will substitute the values of x and y. Mag-substitute na po tayo. So it will be positive or negative square root of 2 times 18. Tutor Abhil. Okay, now 2 times 18, that is 36. And the square root of 36 is positive or negative 6. Okay, now the geometric mean between 2 and 18 is positive 6 or negative 6. Okay, now let's have the second example. Okay, mathletes, tingnan nga natin yung sunod na example. Okay, determine the geometric mean between 27/8 and 2/3. So mathletes, sige nga, let's try for this second example. For number 2, here is the solution. Our x there is 27/8, okay? And also the y will be 2/3. So we are looking for the geometric mean. Now, isulat muna natin yung formula. Now, we will substitute the values of x and y po doon na sa given formula. It will be positive or negative square root of 27/8 times 2/3. Okay, now for this one, mag-multiply tayo ng fraction sa another fraction. So it will be numerator times numerator and then denominator times the denominator. Okay? So 27 times 2 is 54. 8 times 3 is 24. Now, what is next? So, kung makikita natin, we have 54 24ths. So, we will simplify or kukunin pa natin yung lowest term niya. So, as you can see, ang common factor sa kanila ay 6. So, 54 divided by 6 is 9. 24 divided by 6 is 4. O, tapos na ba? Okay, hindi pa. Kukunin pa natin yung square root ni 9/4. Oh, mathletes, what do you think is the geometric mean for example number 2? Sabi ni Rhea Nina, m is equal to 3 halves. Okay, very good. Let's see if it's really 3 halves. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 4 is 2. So, therefore, m is equal to positive or negative 3 halves. Correct. Okay, very good, Rhea Nina. Thus, 3 halves and negative 3 halves are two possible geometric means between 27/8 and 2/3. So, ganun lang po kasimple pagkuha ng geometric mean. So, what do you think, mathlete? Easy or difficult? Diba? Madali lang po. Okay, now, how about example number 3? For example number 3, what if hindi lang isang geometric mean? For this one, we have 3 geometric means. So, mathletes, determine 3 geometric means between negative 2 and negative 162. Okay, so here is the solution. So, una natin nga hanapin si common ratio. Okay, now, to get the common ratio, we have R is equal to square root of a sub n over a sub k. So, ang power niya is n minus k. Sige nga. So, our a sub k there is the a sub 1. Ano yung a sub 1 dyan? It's negative 2. Now, kung a sub 1 is negative 2, our k will be 1. Since a sub 1, our k is 1. Now, how about a sub n? So, ang a sub n natin, yung last term dyan, and that is a sub 5, which is negative 162. Bakit a sub 5? We only have negative 2 and negative 162. Tapos, maghahanap tayo ng 3 geometric means. So, all in all, ilan na lahat yung means, yung terms? So, mayroon na tayong 5 terms. Kaya, si negative 162 ay ang pang 5th term or a sub 5. And our n or the number of terms will be 5. Now, isa-substitute na natin yung given sa formula. Okay, mathletes, help me for this one. Substitute tayo. N minus k, that is 5 minus 1. Radical sign, then a sub n natin is negative 162. Ang denominator natin na a sub k, that is negative 2. Okay, now look at the sign. Negative over negative. So, sinabi natin last time, when we divide like sign, the answer is always positive. So, negative divided by negative is positive. Okay, so 5 minus 1 is 4. So, what is the fourth root of 162 divided by 2? That is 81. Oh, what is the fourth root of 81? Anong number kapag minultiply mo 4 times, ang answer will be 81? Ano kayang number yon? So, mathletes, that is positive or negative 3. Check nga natin. 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3 is 27. Times 3, that is 81. So, same with negative. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. Times negative 3, negative 27. Times negative 3, positive 81. So, pareho lang po silang 81. So, our R is positive or negative 3. Okay, now, hindi pa tapos. So, there are two possible values for R. So, we have 3 and negative 3. So, para makuha yung sunod na terms, yung a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, ano yung gagawin natin kay negative 2 at kay R? So, ang gagawin lang natin, we will simply multiply the common ratio kay negative 2. So, negative 2 times 3, negative 6 times 3, negative 18 times 3, negative 54. So, multiplying each term, meron na tayo. How about for negative 3? Kapag negative 3 naman, ito na yung naging sequence niya. We have negative 2, 6, negative 18, 54, and negative 162. So, if R is 3, the three geometric means between negative 2 and negative 162 are negative 6, negative 18, and negative 54. Okay? Now, if R is negative 3 naman, the three geometric means between negative 2 and negative 162 are 6, negative 18, and 54. So, madali lang ba mathletes paghanap ng geometric mean or means? Okay, just follow the given steps. Kayang-kaya po yan. By the way, for this one, ang ginamit kasi natin is may ibang formula kay R. Pero pwede nyo namang gamitin yung geometric sequence general rule. Okay po? Okay, now, this time, we will proceed with the nth term of a geometric sequence. So, hahanapin natin si a sub n. Okay, so now, take a look. So, we have given the first term and the common ratio of a geometric sequence. The nth term can be found using the formula. Okay? So, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Okay. Okay, this time, isulat niyo muna mathletes yung formula or yung general rule sa inyong notebook. Ito yung gagamitin natin in finding the nth term sa isang geometric sequence. Okay po? Oh, now, ano ang a sub n? Pag sinabing a sub n, that is the nth term. Halimbawa, hanapin natin si a sub 5, a sub 7, a sub 15, or kung anong term pa yon. Okay? Now, what is a sub 1? Pag sinabi naman pong a sub 1, that is the first term. Okay po? Now, what is R? Ano naman yung R? Ang R, that is the common ratio. Okay, now, ano naman yung N? Ang N naman ay yung term position kung pang-ilan in a given sequence. Okay? Now, let's have an example para makuha niyo ito ng maayos. So, number 1. Find the 10th term of the geometric sequence 2, 4, 8. and so on. Okay, now, so athletes, you may use your pen and paper. Help me this one. Hahanapin natin yung 10th term. Madali lang po ito. Here is the solution. So, aalamin muna natin ano yung mga given. Okay? Oh, by the way, batiin muna natin si Abby Jane Manalo, John Albert Veran, and Jessamine Morales who are watching with us this afternoon. Hello po sa inyo. Same with Ruela Dayan. Okay. Now, here's the solution. Ang a sub 1 there is 2, the first term. Now, what is R? R is equal to 2. Bakit 2? Di ba ang common ratio 2? I-divide lang natin yung magkasunod na term. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Kaya ang common ratio natin or R ay 2. Now, what is N naman? Ano yung term position? Hinahanap natin 10th term. Since 10th term yan, our N will be 10. Okay? Now, ang hinahanap, again, is A sub 10. Balik na tayo sa formula. Ito na yung formula. Now, what is next? Magsa-substitute na tayo. O, nasulat nyo na ba yung formula sa notes nyo? After isulat yung formula, magsa-substitute tayo. Okay? O, now, A sub N will be A sub 10. Ang A sub 1 natin is 2. Ang R is 2. Ang N is 10 minus 1. Okay, now, ang sunod natin gagawin, 10 minus 1 muna tayo. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now, what is 2 raised to 9? Sige, mathletes, you may use your pen and paper or pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator. Okay, sabi ni Isaac Newton, para makuha ang 10th term, talo ng 9 times sa bawat talon times 2. Kaya ang sagot ay first term times 2 raised to 9 or 2 raised to 10. So the answer for this one ay 1,024. Ulitin lang natin, mathletes. Ang ginawa, in-identify natin yung given. Sunod, sinulat natin yung general rule or formula para sa geometric sequence. After that, substitute tayo. Okay? After naman natin mag-substitute, simplify. Yung exponent muna. 10 minus 1 is 9. O sunod, simplify nyo yung 2 raised to 9. Pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator if you want. After mag 2 raised to 9, yung red pa, magta times 2 pa kayo. Kaya ang sagot dyan ay 1,024. Very good, Rhea Nina. That is 1,024. So therefore, the 10th term of the given geometric sequence is 1,024. Okay. How about example number 2? Sige nga, let's try example number 2. Find the 9th term of the geometric sequence 3, 1, 1/3. Okay, 3, 1, 1/3. Sunod natin gagawin, alamin muna natin yung given. Okay po? A sub 1 there, or yung first term, ay 3. Ang R naman, yung common ratio, 1/3. Bakit 1/3? I-divide lang natin yung magkasunodan na terms. 1 divided by 3 is 1/3. 1/3 divided by 1 is 1/3. Kaya 1/3 yung ratio natin. Okay? Now, what is N? Ano yung term position? Ilan yung number of terms? Yung pang 9th term daw. So our N there will be 9. And ang hinahanap natin ay A sub 9. Okay, so mathletes, kaya ba? Alam ko, kayang-kaya natin itong sagutan. Now, we will have the formula or general rule. Next step, we will substitute. So A sub 9 is equal to, ang A sub 1 natin dyan ay 3 times R, 1/3. Raised to N, ang N is 9 minus 1. Kung makikita nyo, nag-substitute lang tayo. O, sunod na step, simplify yung exponent. What is 9 minus 1? Magiging 8. Okay. Now, since 8 na yan, simplify naman natin yung 1/3 raised to 8. So, 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3 hanggang 8 times. So, magiging siyang 1 over 6,561. You may check using your calculator. 3 times 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 3. Ang sagot dyan ay 6,561. O now, magmumultiply na tayo ng 3. So 3 times 1 is 3 over 6,561. Ililowest term natin. So pwedeng i-cancel yung 3. Yung 6,561, i-divide lang natin by 3. Kaya nakuha ay 2,187. Okay po, again, for this one, pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator. Now, the ninth term of the given geometric sequence is 1 over 2,187. Mas madali ito kung may calculator kayo sa tabi. Pero you may also use your notes sa pag-solve. Okay, for this one. Okay. Next. Okay, very good. Precious Faith and Manganip, 1 over 2,187. Okay, very good po. Okay, now let's move on or let's proceed. This time, we have geometric series. Tapos pa lang tayo sa geometric means, tapos nth term. This time, geometric series naman. Ano ibig sabihin ng geometric series? Kung sa arithmetic sequence, may arithmetic series tayo or yung sum ng terms sa arithmetic sequence, sa geometric sequence, may tinatawag naman tayong geometric series. O, yan yung sum ng mga terms sa geometric sequence. Mag-a-add lang tayo ng mga term sa geometric sequence. Okay? Don't worry kasi may formula tayong gagamitin. Okay. Medyo mahirap pero kakayanin ni John Albert Veran. Okay, very good. So, sasamahan ko kayo for this one. Use your pen, paper, and calculator sa pag-solve dito. Madali lang po ito. Okay? Now, pag sinabi natin geometric series, it is the indicated sum of the terms of a geometric sequence. It is the indicated sum of the terms sa geometric sequence. Okay. Ngayon, may dalawa tayong type ng geometric sequence. So, we have finite and infinite. So, mayroon tayong sum sa finite sequence, same with sa infinite sequence. So, ang tawag sa finite na yon ay finite geometric series. So, ito yung formula. Okay, don't worry kasi may formula tayong gagamitin. So, pwede nyo itong isulat yung formula sa mga notes nyo. So, the S sub n is equal to A sub 1 times the quantity 1 minus R raised to n all over the quantity 1 minus R. Again, isulat nyo po yung formulang ito sa notes nyo. S sub n is equal to A sub 1 times 1 minus R raised to n all over 1 minus R. May nakalagay na restriction. R must not be equal to 1. Okay? Kasi kapag 1 yan, ang denominator nyo magiging 1 minus 1, 0. Pag 0 ang denominator, undefined po yan. Okay? Hindi pwedeng undefined. At the same time, sa geometric sequence, ang R must not be equal to 0. Kasi pag 0 yan, hindi na siya geometric sequence. Or, may isa pang formula. Kahit alin daw sa dalawa, pwedeng gamitin. Okay, that is S sub n is equal to A sub 1 minus A sub n times R all over 1 minus R. Again, R must not be equal to 1. Sa infinite naman, ito yung formula. That is S is equal to A sub 1 all over the quantity 1 minus R. Sa infinite, ibig sabihin, walang hanggan yung number of terms. Ito yung gagamitin nyo. Kaya lang may restriction. Si R daw, dapat greater than negative 1 but less than 1. In short, nasa pagitan sila ni negative 1 at 1. So it must be between -1 and 1 but not equal to 0. Okay? Example tayo. Nasulat na ba yung formula? Okay, ang sunod nating hahanapin, kay finite muna tayo. Okay? Now, example tayo. Determine the sum of the first 6 terms of the geometric sequence 3, 6, 12, 24. Again, 3, 6, 12, 24. So, i-identify muna natin yung given. Ang A sub 1 dyan, alin? Siyempre yung 3, the first term. Ano naman yung R? To get the common ratio, ang gagawin, i-divide lang natin. 6 divided by 3, 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Kaya ang R natin dyan ay 2. Ang hinahanap natin ay sum ng first 6 terms or S sub 6. Okay. Now, isusulat lang natin yung formula. Again, i-ready po muna natin matrix yung formula. So, hello Crystal M. Santiago, watching from Roman National High School. So, hello matrix from from Ramon National High School. Okay. Okay, now, since nakalagay na yung formula, magsa-substitute na po tayo. Okay? We have S sub 6 equals A sub 1 is 3 times 1 minus ang R ay 2 raised to 6 kasi N is 6 all over 1 minus R which is 2. Sabi ni Alexander Capada, 186 po. Okay, sige nga. Tingnan nga natin kung 186 po yung sagot. Okay, mag-simplify na tayo. For this one, uunahin natin yung 2 raised to 6. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64. Kaya naging siyang 1 minus 64. Okay, sunod natin. I-subtract natin 1 minus 64, kaya naging negative 63. Okay, o sunod, magmumultiply na tayo. I-multiply natin yung 3 at negative 63. 3 times negative 63, that is, kapag unlike sign, negative. So it will be negative 189 divided by negative 1. O now, simplify natin yan. Negative divided by negative. So like sign, it's positive. Sabi ni Joshua Panganiban, 186. Okay? Tingnan nga natin. Negative 189 divided by negative 1, that is positive 189. So, Rainiel Manabat, De Vera, 189 po. Very good. Same with Rhea Nina Tercero, 189. Very good. So, this one, ito yung isang way para mahanap si sum. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, ang ginawa, manually kinompute yung sum ni 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. Tama ba? And 96. So, pwede naman po yung ganun. This time, ito kasi, pinakita natin yung solution gamit yung formula. Pero again, pwede yung other way or method sa pagkuha ng sum. Pwede through listing, then, i-manual isolve po yung sum ng mga terms. Okay lang po yun. Okay, now, S sub 6 is 189. Therefore, the sum of the first 6 terms is 189. So, hello, lovely Lucas. Listening and watching from LFG Diamantina National High School, Cabanatuan East District, Diamantina, Cabanatuan, Isabela. Hello po sa inyo, Mathis from Isabela. Okay. So, nakuha ba, Mathis? Again, pwede gumamit ng formula or simply i-add yung mga terms sa given sequence. Next example po tayo. Okay, this one, we will determine the sum of the first 8 terms of the geometric sequence. If the first term is 4, the common ratio is negative 2, and the eighth term is negative 512. So again, we will find the sum of the first 8 terms. So pwedeng ang gawin nyo dito is ilista yung 8 terms or gagamit tayo ng formula para makuha yung sum. Okay, eto na yung solution. Identify the given. So we have a sub 1, which is 4. Ang r natin is negative 2. And ang a sub 8 natin is negative 512. Okay, hinahanap natin is yung sum ng first 8 terms. So s sub 8 is unknown. Okay, now eto yung gagamitin nating formula. Pwedeng eto or yung naunang ginamit natin, kahit alin po dyan pwede. Or again, simply ilista yung mga terms. Malalaman nyo na yung second, third to seventh term kasi may common ratio na tayo na negative 2. So paano makukuha yung second term, third, and so on? I-multiply lang natin si common ratio na negative 2 kay first term, which is 4. Okay po? So hello kay Yvette Mondia. Okay, now, eto na yung solution. Magsa-substitute po tayo. So as you can see, a sub 1 is 4 minus negative 512 na a sub n or a sub 8 times r na negative 2. Next, 1 minus r, which is negative 2. Again, nag-substitute lang po tayo dito. Okay, now, this one, i-multiply natin yung negative 512 and negative 2. Oh, mathletes, what do you think is the product? Negative 512 times negative 2. Okay, that is positive 1024. Okay? Okay, now, 4 minus 1024. Now, ano yung denominator natin? 1 minus negative 2. So, negative times negative is positive. So, 1 plus 2. Okay, sabi ni Alexander Tutorwell, bigay ka po sum of first 69 terms. Good luck na lang po sa magmamano-mano. Okay, ito kasi po yung kagandahan kapag may formula tayo. Kasi what if yung hinahanap natin na sum ay sum ng maraming terms? So, may hirapan kayo kapag sobrang dami na nung terms ang i-add. Kaya gagamit talaga po ng formula. Pero, pag konti lang naman yung number of terms, pwede nyo isolve manually. Okay po? Kahit walang formula, okay lang po yun. Now, continue tayo. We will subtract the numerator. So, 4 minus 1024, that is negative 1020. 1 plus 2, ang denominator natin will be 3. Sunod, gamit yung calculator. If you want, we will divide negative 1020 and 3. So the quotient will be negative 340. Okay, that is S sub 8. Therefore, the sum of the first 8 terms is negative 340. Okay. Hello po kay Ellie Pilayo from grade 10, Lapu-Lapu. Ang kanyang teacher, si Ma'am S.P. Ventura. Hello po, ma'am. Watching from Culiat High School. Hello po sa inyo. Okay, very good. Precious Faith Manganip. Negative 340 po. Very good. Okay, now this time, eto. We will determine the sum of an infinite geometric sequence. So dito, infinite geometric sequence naman tayo. So we have 9, 3, 1. So, paano naman kapag infinite geometric sequence? So, remember, gagamit tayo ng formula for this. Ito yung formula. S is equal to A sub 1 over the quantity 1 minus R. Si R dapat between negative 1 and 1 but not 0. Okay, here is the solution. Ang A sub 1 natin is 9. Ang R natin is 1/3. Bakit 1/3? Tandaan niyo pa po ba kung paano kunin yung common ratio? Again, i-divide lang natin. So that is 3 over 9. Ang 3/9, ang lowest term niya is 1/3. Or pwede naman 1 over 3. Automatic, 1/3 po siya. So pareho lang yung ratio, yung ratio nila. So our common ratio or R is 1/3. Ang hinahanap natin is S or sum ng infinite geometric sequence. So, eto na, magsasubstitute na tayo. Our a sub 1 is 9 over 1 minus ang r natin 1/3. O, sunod, i-simplify natin yung denominator. So, mathletes, 1 minus 1/3. So, yung 1, pareho lang siya ng 3 over 3. 3 over 3 minus 1/3. So, since similar terms na sila, so we will subtract the numerator. 3 minus 1. Kaya magiging 2. So, ang 1 minus 1/3 ay 2/3. Okay, may sagot na si Rainiel De Vera, 27 halves. Tingnan nga natin. O ngayon, paano naman mag-divide kapag may fraction? Okay, mathletes, we have 9 divided by 2/3. Kapag ang denominator natin fraction, ganito lang yung gagawin. Copy the numerator times reciprocal ng denominator. Ano yung reciprocal ni 2/3? Pag sinabing reciprocal, yung numerator gagawin mong denominator, si denominator gagawin mong numerator. I-interchange mo lang yung position. So si 2/3 magiging 3 halves. Okay? So it will be 9 times reciprocal ni 2/3 na 3 halves. Okay. Sabi ni Precious Faith Manganip, 27 halves. Okay, tingnan nga natin. 9 times 3 is 27 halves. So yun nga, our sum is 27 halves. The sum of the given infinite geometric sequence is 27 halves. So, ganun lang po kadali. So, sabi ni Rhea Nina, 27 halves po, sir. Very good. Okay. Let's have the last example para kay infinite geometric series. So, find the sum of the infinite geometric sequence na 2, -8, 32. Again, 2, -8, 32. So remember, we have r must be greater than -1 but less than 1. Between -1 and 1 pero hindi 0. Ito na yung solution. Ang a sub 1 natin dyan ay 2. What is r? So para makuha si r, again, i-divide lang natin. -8 divided by 2. That is -4. Same with 32 divided by -8, -4. O ngayon, si r is -4. Pasok po ba siya sa value ni r? Na r must be greater than -1 but less than 1? Pwede ba? Pwede ba natin makuha yung sum ng sequence na ito? What do you think, mathletes? So, mathletes, what do you think? Pwede ba? Sabi ni Isaac Newton, parang pangako yung infinite na pagmamahal sa iyo, pero nag-break din kayo sa dulo. Grabe, may pinanguhugutan si Isaac. Okay. So, again, going back for this one, hahanapin natin si sum. So, since r must be less than -1, kaya lang r is equal to -4, therefore the sequence has no sum. So si r na -4 is less than -1. Dapat greater than -1 po siya. So hindi natin makukuha yung sum ng infinite sequence na ito. So remember that the infinite geometric sequence has a sum to infinity only if r is greater than -1 but less than 1. And it is not equal to 0. Okay po? So again, under geometric sequence, kinuha natin yung geometric means. Kapag hinahanap ay isang mean lang, ito yung formula. That is positive or negative square root ni x and y. Yung product ni x and y, kunin mo yung square root, that is the geometric mean. Kapag more than 1, pwede tayong gumamit ng geometric sequence formula na a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Okay po? Or pwedeng gamitin natin yung other way kay r. Next, pinag-usapan din natin how to find the nth term of a geometric sequence. So pareho lang, gagamit tayo ng formula We have this one. Also, hinanap natin yung finite geometric series. Ito yung formulang ginamit, or pwede naman yung isa. Pero remember, r must not be equal to 1. Kasi kapag r is 1, ang denominator mo magiging 0. Pag ang denominator 0, it will be undefined. Also, kinuha rin natin yung infinite geometric series. At ang formula niya, ito din. Okay, so, mathletes, are you now ready to take the quick check challenge? So, ready na kayo for this one. So, 5-item quick check challenge ito. So, get ready your pen and paper. Try to answer this one. Later, i-post po natin, i-comment natin kung ilan yung makukuha nating score. Madali lang po ito. Number 1. So, mathletes, which set of numbers is an example of a geometric sequence? A, 1/3, 1/9, 1/15, 1/21. B, 5, 5, 10, 15. C, 1, 9, 17, 25. Or D, 2/25, 2/5, 2/10. Okay, alin kaya dyan ang example ng geometric sequence? Okay, is it A, B, C, or D? Sabi ni Rainiel, A. Okay, ano kayong sagot ng iba dyan? Tingnan nga natin, mathletes. What do you think is the answer for this one? Okay, sabi nila A. Pag sinabi natin geometric sequence, may common ratio. Magta-times po, to get the next term, ita-times yung common ratio. Okay, sabi ni Alexander and Giselle, D. The correct answer is, okay, letter D. Kung titingnan po ninyo, ang letter A, that is an example of a harmonic sequence. Pag sinabing harmonic, parang reciprocal lang siya ng arithmetic sequence. Parang nag-plus lang siya yung sa denominator, parang arithmetic. 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 6, 15, plus 6, 21. Kinuha lang yung reciprocal ng arithmetic. Sa B naman, ang tawag kay B, Fibonacci sequence. Makukuha yung next term kapag inad mo yung dalawang preceding term. 5 plus 5 is 10, 5 plus 10, 15. Yung C naman, example ng arithmetic sequence. Okay? O, number 2 tayo. Find the fifth term of a geometric sequence where the first term is 7 and the common ratio is 6. Okay? Number 2 tayo. Find the fifth term of a geometric sequence where the first term is 7 and the common ratio is 6. So A, 1,512. B, 9,072. C, 5,072. Or D, 1,072. So mathletes, what do you think is the answer for number 2? So pwede kayong gumamit ng formula or ita-times nyo lang yung common ratio na 6 kay first term para makuha yung second and so on. Hanggang umabot kay fifth term. Okay, what do you think is the answer for number 2? So ang sagot kay number 2 ay letter B. 9,072. Bakit 9,072? So, ito yung solution niya. A sub 1 is 7, N is 5, R is 6. Okay, substitute tayo. 7 times 6 raised to 5 minus 1. So, that is 6 raised to 4. That is 1,296 times 7, 9,072. Okay, very good kay Perlin Baran, kay Roslyn, Jessa, Melody. Okay, congratulations po. Very good. And also, Rayan Nina. Now, how about number 3? Okay, very good then. Kay John Carl Centillas, Precious Faith, and Kiana. Number 3 tayo, mathletes. If two geometric means are inserted between 6 and 162, find the geometric mean. Find the second geometric mean. Okay, A, is it 12? B, 18? C, 54? Or D, 62? So again, mag-i-insert tayo ng two geometric means. ano yung ikalawang geometric mean? Is it 12, 18, 54, or 62? Sige nga. You may use your phone, your pen and paper, and also calculator para mahanap yung second geometric mean. So remember to use the geometric sequence formula. Okay, sabi ni Rainiel, number 3, letter B. Tingnan nga natin if it's really letter B. Remember, hinahanap natin is the second geometric mean or yung third term. Yung third term yung hinahanap po natin. Okay, the answer for number 3 is letter C. Kasi si 18, that is the first geometric mean. Ang ikalawang geometric mean ay si 54. Okay po? O baka nalito kayo, baka second term yung nakita nyo. It's the second geometric mean or the third term. So, okay lang po yan. So, here is the solution. Paano nakuha? A sub 3 natin ay 54. Kasi ang R is 3. 6 times 3, 18. 18 times 3, kaya that is 54. Okay po? Very good, Julian Milyari, letter C. Same with Kiana Templo Nuevo, very good, letter C. So good afternoon po, Rolando Taday, watching from Gutad National High School. Hello po. Okay, number 4 tayo. Number 4, what is the geometric mean between 120 and 30? So again, what is the geometric mean between 120 and 30? Is it A, 30, B, 40, C, 50, or D, 60? Oh, by the way, nakahabol si Rhea Nina and John Carl, letter C for number 3. Okay, very good. O, number 4 tayo. Alin dyan ang geometric mean? Ano yung gagamitin? Sige nga. That is positive or negative square root of x and y. So for number 4, sabi ni Lovelyn Salvador Santillan, letter D. Tingnan nga natin if it's real letter D. Okay, very good. It's letter D. Bakit letter D? So m squared is equal to AB. So 120 times 30 is 3,600. So square root ni 3,600, that is 60. So dyan po, it's m equals 60. So alisin na lang po yung exponent na 2. Okay, very good, Mary Jane, Kiana, Julian, John Carl. Same with Frolin. Okay, very good po. And Aya. Okay, now let's have the last quick check challenge item, number 5. Number 5, consider the geometric sequence 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96. So, what is the sum of the first 5 terms? For this one, pwede kayong gumamit ng formula or as you can see, pwede nyo i-add yung first 5 terms dito. Okay po? Is it A, 93, B, 94, C, 95, or D, 96? So, kung hindi kayo gagamit ng formula, later, pwede nyo i-check kung tama talaga yung nakuha nyo kapag inad nyo lang yung first 5 terms. Oh, Mathletes, what do you think is the sum of the first 5 terms? Okay, that is letter A, 93. Kasi 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 12, 21, plus 24 is 35, plus 48, 93. Kung tig-add nyo lang yung first 5 terms. O kaya naman, pag yung formula ginamit, ito yung solution niya. That is 93. Okay, very good, Rainiel, Maria Jean, Rhea Nina, John Carl, Kiana, and Mary Jane. Okay, very good. That is letter A, 93. Okay, nakailan kaya kayo sa 5-item quick check challenge natin? Very good din, Mark Jan, letter A. So, palagay na lang, nakailan po kayo. Okay lang kung naka 4, 3, 2, 1. So, pwede nyo i-review, ulitin, panoorin yung video lesson natin na to or video tutorial. Okay, this time, may bago tayong Math Challenge of the Week. So yung Math Challenge of the Week natin ngayon medyo mahirap ng konti. Okay. So what is the equivalent fraction of 0.12 using geometric series? By the way, may ellipsis yung after ng 2. Okay po? Non-terminating yung decimal na ito. That is 0.12, and so on. Okay, now, bigyan ko kayo ng idea. So, eto, gagamit kayo ng concept ng geometric series. Yung infinite geometric series. So, para lang siyang, ang first term niya, 0.12. Ang second term, 0.0012. Ang third term, 0.000012, and so on. So as you can see, may mga terms pa rin. So hahanapin nyo lang yung common ratio, tapos gagamit ng formula. Don't forget to write hashtag #MathNChallenge, hashtag #TutorWell, and hashtag #TutorAbhil. You may post that on your timeline or pwede rin sa DepEd Itulay or DepEd EdTech Unit Facebook page. Okay po? Kayang-kaya? Okay, we're looking forward kung sino naman ang magiging Math Challenge of the Week natin on our 4th week. So, for comments, suggestions, you may email us at edtech@deped.gov.ph, and also for feedback, you may scan the QR code or you may visit the link that you can see on screen. Next week, ang pag-uusapan natin ay about word problems involving a sequence. Again, ang week 5 natin is about word problems involving sequence. Also, don't forget to watch Tutor Abhil for business mathematics. Learn
Yes.
and chill with Sir Abhil. Okay, yes, Tutor
Thank you
Abhil.
so much, Tutor Ruel. No? So, mga grade and learners at sa mga senior high school students natin, do not forget to watch my DepEd TV Business Mathematics episode. Tomorrow na po ang ating episode 2. That will be on October 9th from 6 p.m. to 6:20 p.m. sa ating DepEd TV, of course, GMA for the Box, IBC 13, Signal Cable, at sa iba pa pong mga channels na merong DepEd TV. At pwede rin pong pumunta sa ating YouTube channel sa DepEd TV Official. Yan. Maraming salamat, Tutor Rowella. Congratulations sa ating week 4. And maraming salamat din sa lahat po ng ating mga great and learners na kasama dito sa ating online tutorial dito sa ating Itulay. So, magpapaalam na po ako. Ako po ang inyong Tutor Abhil na lagi ninyo makakasama every Friday dito sa Math Talino Day Friday sa DepEd Online Tutorial Itulay Program. Yes, Tutor Rowell?
Yes, once again, I'm Tutor Rowell, your math coach in Math 10. So here are also our math terrific tutors in junior high school, and up next is the senior high school and ALS tutors. So thank you, mathletes. Goodbye. See you next Math Terrific Friday.